Hello there, we're here quickly to show you the new Cambridge Audio 751BD universal disc player. This is in fact the first 3D Blu-ray player from Cambridge Audio. Plays your normal Blu-rays, 3D Blu-rays, all of your DVD films. In addition, this will play DVD audio discs, Super Audio CD discs, HD CD discs, your normal CDs, and all manner of compressed music and video files as well. If we have a look inside the device here, first of all, you'll notice we've actually got a Cambridge Audio custom transport here, specially selected and worked on by us to ensure we have the best possible quality, the lowest jitter, and the best possible quality of audio and video being extracted from your discs. What's particularly special about this player is not just that it can play almost any disc you put in it. It is a truly universal spinner, but for us, sound quality has always been as important as picture quality. And here at Cambridge Audio, we've had 41 years of experience in making high-quality audio devices. So we've actually done a huge amount of work to the audio board inside this. We actually have in here 5 separate Wolfson DACs inside this device, Wolfson 8740 DACs in here, because there are actually 5 pairs of stereo analog outputs. We have a full 7.1 analog output on the rear and a dedicated stereo output as well. So if you run into an older AV receiver, for example, that doesn't have HDMI reception, you can do full decoding inside this device, full decoding of DTS Master HD, Dolby True HD, any other audio format, and actually feed a fully decoded signal out to your AV receiver. In addition, if you're playing CDs, for example, the audio quality on this is comparable to a truly high-end CD player. As well as the Wolfson DACs in here, we also have a very high-quality analog devices Q5 upsampling chip, which will upsample all audio in this device to 192 kilohertz. So we're really working there to give you the best possible sound, the best possible quality, and the best value for your money from this device here. On the video side, obviously if your Blu-rays are in 1080p, that's fantastic, but playing anything lower resolution, we use a new Marvel QDEO scaler in here, one of the best possible scalers available on the market today, so everything is coming out of this in the best possible quality. On the rear here, all the terminals are gold-plated to give fantastic quality connection. We have the 8-channel analog output here, the dedicated stereo output, and in fact 2 HDMI connections on the device here. Why would you need 2 HDMI connections? Maybe you have a projector and you have a plasma screen or an LCD screen, or maybe you have an AV receiver that won't pass through 3D video. If that's the case, you can configure these individually. You can set the resolution, the brightness, the color, the contrast, the sharpness, the deep color, the color level on each of these individually. So you can actually send HDMI 1.3 with the audio to your AV receiver, HDMI 1.4 with a full 3D image up to your TV screen. So just because you've got an older AV receiver doesn't mean you need to throw it away if you want to get involved in 3D. The 751BD lets you do whatever you want with your system, however you want to do it. We've also got connections for separate hard drives, a USB connection on the rear here and one on the front panel, and also an eSATA connection here as well. Plug in a USB drive, plug in a SATA drive, and simply on the on-screen menu you can browse through the tree, see what you want to play, whether you want to view photos, whether you want to watch videos, whether you want to play music. And again, if you're looking at photos or videos, they'll be scaled into full 1080p on the QDEO scaler. If you're playing music, it will come out, even if you've got terribly compressed music, we're running it through high-quality DACs, we're running it through an upsampling chip, you will get the best quality sound from the device here. Ethernet connection here, obviously, for network, connecting to your network for software updates, for example, and BD Live. If you can't actually get access to your network, we also supply a wireless USB dongle, which you can plug into the back here. That runs on Wi-Fi, and that can connect to your home network as well. So we've got a universal player, plays almost every type of audio and video file and disc. We've got high-quality audio outputs. We've got fantastic scalers in there. We've got just about every connection you can need on the back, fully customizable. RS-232 control for custom install use. Really, what more would you need for your home cinema system?